So in 1991, Alberta launched its initial clean air strategy, and so it's been around for about 20 years now. And actually there's been significant headway made on implementing that original strategy. But 20 years is a long time. So in 2008, the government of Alberta asked the Clean Air Strategic Alliance, CASA, to provide them with some recommendations for a new, renewed clean air strategy for Alberta. We brought together about 440 individuals. That included things like surveys, town hall meetings, and we simply asked people how they felt about their air. And as a result of that information, we actually carried most of that forward into the recommendations that were developed by CASA for submission to government. So there's actually a line of sight from what people said in those town hall meetings to the recommendations that were forwarded to government and the strategy that government's released and has come out of that. Albertans told us that there were some priorities for them. As I said, those have been reflected in government's strategy, and we anticipate doing a fair amount of work on those going forward and focusing on things like industrial emissions. That includes best management practices, it includes regulation, it includes new technologies. But at the end of the day, when it comes to air quality, like so many things, the rubber hits the road at that regional level. So it's people's experience in the regions, not provincially, where most of the work remains. And in CASA, we anticipate that we could actually do a fair amount of work around regional air management frameworks that'll actually help people in those regions improve their air quality.